RetraxPRO XR is the #1 truck bed cover. This is an all aluminum retractable style. You can lower the tailgate, you access the bed, it's instant access. Now this cover is going to slide right back. You get your instant access. You can add a nice bed extender like this one here and bring it out and snap it here. So now you're going down the road with it safe. So you can take this bed extender out real quick, it just comes right out. This BedRug is all custom fit. To operate this cover, you just grab the handle and you slide it right back. So it's no maintenance required. You have a T-slot system here to put your rack accessories on top. This one supports 500 pounds of weight on top. You get a lifetime warranty. If you have a Ford Raptor or any other truck and you're looking for the top of the line style, this RetraxPRO MX is the best cover on the market. Visit truckaccessplus.com to learn more about it. Thank you.